Okay, everything is in frame and ready to go, guys. So, hey guys, Robert here, and today I'm gonna show you how you can stream on YouTube. So let's get right into it. So you're in your YouTube, you can go to your YouTube studio from here, and inside your YouTube studio, you can get to your streaming dashboard in two ways. Either press here, or you can also go into create and go live. And so right here, when you get into your streaming tab, you can fix things for your stream. So you can put in the title, tutorial, and this one, this is really good, which I like between other streaming platforms like Twitch or Mixer. You can unlist it or make it private, so only you can see it. This is a great way to test your stream, test everything out, see if it looks good before you go out and ship it live to all your audience. In here, you can put in, under your video, you have your description. In the description, you can find the text here, as in your videos. We're gonna make this one educational. You can schedule the stream for later if you want it to go live at a certain time, make it a premiere, or you can just stream right away. You can upload a custom thumbnail, which I recommend to do every time you're gonna go on a live stream. It's gonna make it more interesting, more appealing. It's gonna draw people for your stream. Audience. If your stream is directly made for kids, press yes. If not, all of the other times, no. Then you create your stream. And when your stream is created, you have a stream key generated for you. And with this stream key, you're gonna put into your streaming software, OBS Live, Stream Elements, Streamlabs, whatever you use, doesn't matter. Use the one that you find most simple to use, the one you like, etc. For me, I'm using Stream Elements. And so here, you're gonna copy the stream key. You're gonna go into your stream, you go into settings, and here stream key, you're gonna paste the new stream key, press apply, and you're good to go streaming. Now, some tips on output. I'm using video bitrate 3500, pretty good medium setting to get the best quality possible while still maintaining good performance, right? And if you start out to lag in your stream, lower this number. If you're still good to go, going strong and want that a little bit more crisp quality, you can increase this if you want. And so we're good to go here. So now, if I press start streaming, we should go live and we should see, we have here confirmation that our connection is connected. And here you can see stream health. Now I have excellent connection. If your connection is not excellent, you should go in and lower the bitrate as I showed before. We can see a preview of our stream right now before we go live. And to go live, we just go up here and press go live, and then we are live streaming on our channel for our viewers. Alright, that is how to set up your stream on YouTube. And now some easy things to make your quality for your microphone and things like that just a bit better. In your mic and auxiliary channel, you can go into filters to basically put on effects on your voice. For me, I'm using a compressor, expander, and a limiter. These are the key filters for your microphone that's gonna make it sound super good. So a limiter, what is a limiter? A limiter basically it limits the highest peak levels. This is a must-have for all streamers. Imagine something really cool happens and you're starting screaming. You're not gonna ear rape your viewers, right? Basically, I'm gonna lower this to 4 decibels and I'm gonna do this really crazy noise. See what I mean? Now, expander. What expander does is basically a noise gate, right? But it's a less harsh. So sounds in the background. Here, let me put an example. Oh, the double ad. All right, so now we have the expander off. Say, for example, your mother is hoovering outside your room. You're gonna hear this all the time. But with expander, it lowers the noise, low sounding objects, things, right? So basically it dampens the low noises that you don't want into the stream. Really good to have. These are the settings I use. You can use these settings if you want, or tweak them for your liking. And a compressor, what does a compressor do? Well, it brings up those low sounds from your microphone, gaining up them and compressing the loud noises, making it essentially staying in a zone that you want to. Like, you want to be around the yellow zone to sound crisp and clear and loud and clear, right? And so without the compressor, I'm around the green stage here. But with the compressor turning on, I have my gain boosted up a bit and my threshold a bit low down. So basically, I'm staying around the yellow bar, around here. And so these are the 3 filters that I recommend that I use, and here are the settings on each one of them. Alright guys, that was a really quick tutorial. It's a fast to show you how to get it all set up, and now it's your turn to get out there and do some nice streams for your viewers. Alright, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.